Hello, ladies. How are you? How are my wonderful group today doing? And we are finishing up our spring cleaning challenge this week. We're on week 5. Woohoo! And this week, our chore is to clean the windows and the window frames. And some of you have a lot of windows, some of you don't have a lot of windows. Some of you fall in the middle. And I thought this would be a great time to talk about what you really don't know about Scrub Daddy. Sure, everybody's heard the word Scrub Daddy. You've seen the sponge, you know what it looks like. The happy smiley face. Yes, the happy smiley face. As you hop on, step in and say hi or hashtag replay when you watch the replay. What has your experience been with Mr. Smiley Face, I call him? You know, what has yours been? Have you used it? Now, you could even use this on Windows, believe it or not. I don't know about you, but sometimes when those bugs in the summer, they leave a little like dirt on the window as they die and get splattered, or maybe the pets hit the window and hit the bug, and maybe that's what leaves the splatter on the window, and you're sitting there trying to wipe it off with your glass cleaner and it's not coming off. This works. Now, you're not gonna believe this, but during all this, COVID, during COVID, I actually entered a contest for Scrub Daddy, and I won. I won their all-star kit. And I got products with them. And I was actually I did not know anything. I mean, I knew Scrub Daddy. I heard the name. It's been out there a long time. It started out on QVC, I think, with Lori Grenier or something. And it went on to be a big thing, or Shark Tank. I can't even remember what it's been on. It went on to be a big thing. And I had the original Scrub Daddy, which looks like this with the fingers. With the smiley face. And when I got the product, like, wow, this is really cool. I'm going to put a picture in the thing so you know what all their products are, because I was really surprised at what they had. Now, I'm condensing my notes. I actually did a blog post on this too. I will be putting a link to that too on my website and explaining all about the different products, what's the good part, the bad part, and all that good stuff, and actually did a review. Now, Scrub Daddy, now they come in colors. They come bright colors. I don't have one of the bright ones with me, but this is one of the bright colors. There's a green and a blue and an orange on the bright colors. Now this guy here himself, rough, tough, gentle, scratch-free, dishwasher safe. Now, all you gotta remember is eyeballs. Put your fingers in the eyeballs. Go ahead, stick it in your glass. If your glass is wide enough, sometimes you have to squish it a little bit to get it in there. Clean out the inside of your glass. Now, the smiley. I don't have it with me, but your utensils go in there. Pretend this is a fork. You put that in there and clean your forks and spoons and knives. That's how that works. That's the reason for the smile. The eyes are particularly made for the glass to clean the inside of your glasses. Think of eyeglasses. Ha-ha! Hence the term eyeglasses. So, now, this is dry, obviously. Now, I use this, and I should have brought it with me. I wasn't thinking, but on the side of your pan, you got a silver rim. Say you got an egg pan out, you got your little silver rim. I scrub this dry to get off the residue, the cooking residue, the burnt on residue on the little rim all around the pot. And this works good dry. Now, when you put it in water, it's soft. When it's dry, it's firm. You got two ways to use this sponge, just so you know. Now, did you know that there's a Scrub Mommy? Yes, I said Scrub Mommy. This is Scrub Mommy. She is cool. I don't know what she's got in her, but you put her in water. This side is really hard. You could feel the stiffness compared to this. Now this I use every day. And he goes in water. He's in the water, in the dishwater to clean the residue from the pots and pans. I use this every day. And believe it or not, you don't see any dirt on this. And I've used this for, I'd say, a good 6 months now. And this gets used every day. Hey, Stephanie, it's so nice to see you. Do you have these and do you use these? They're called Scrub Daddy. I don't know if you have that by you. Now, like I said, he doesn't get dirty because I put him in the dish drainer, let him stay there all night, and he dries out, and I squeeze him out and he dries out. Now, like I said, getting back to Scrub Mommy, she's dual-sided. This side's real soft. In fact, this side, you could even scrub your face with it. You could actually use this for skincare, believe it or not. This is amazing what this mommy does, I should say. This is just half of the stuff she cleans, and I have to read this to you because there's so much. She is a dual-sided scrubber and the sponge. You've got the soft sponge here. Scrub Mommy does dirty dishes, cabinets, pots and pans, hardware, floors, walls, baseboard, refrigerator. You could even scrub your produce with this Scrub Mommy with the harder side. Or the sponge, either one. That blew my mind. She does counters. She does cutting boards. You could take her in the RV. She does boat seats. She does floor mats, wheel hulls, around your wheels, your car wheels, fences, lawn furniture, shower, toilet, your shoes, skincare. And they call it Resofoam. Now, one thing I was surprised about Scrub Daddy, and I have to read you the statistics on this. This is just 3 little statistics. Scrub Daddy, the original one here, is, where is it now? 32% thicker, 65% stronger. Well, we must be happy. We got to make them happy. Okay. And absorbs 64% more water than the leading competitor. And I was like, oh, okay. I believe that after using this. Now, they even have a Scrub Daddy scour thing. And he's got a little hook here where you can hang them up to dry. Now, this mesh one is the same for dishes and all that. It's got a mesh on it, and inside's a little bit thicker foam. You can see it's a little bit thicker. This one, I honestly don't use that much. I'm not too happy with like the extra piece of layer on it. I haven't found what it would be quite perfect for yet, so I really don't use that. And I have it, but I don't use it. Now, there's another Scrub Daddy. Hard Resofoam here, like the Scrub Mommy, and a sponge on the back. But he's made square to make it a little convenient for you to use better. Now, that was another part of the product that I had got too. Now, I promised you I'd tell you about the one product I really don't like from Scrub Daddy at all. They have a caddy. It's clear, and it's kind of like in a crescent moon shape. and it's got suction cups. I had got mine with my kit that I had won, and it won't stay on my tile. And it won't stay in other rooms I have tried to put it in. I called them, they replaced the suction cups for me. Still didn't work. I actually got mad and threw that in the garbage. Would I recommend the caddy? Maybe you might have better luck with it, but not me. Like I said, I'll be putting the picture in the group. Now, included in my kit is this cute little container. This has got dish soap in it. This is really cute and really handy because the dishwashing liquid's right here. You squeeze this. I don't want to do it. And the dishwashing liquid comes out here. And all I need is one good squirt for the dishes. Now, if my hands are dirty, I want to wash my hands. You put your hand on the flour, push it all the way down. Not going to do it because I don't want to get soap hands right now when I'm talking to you. You push it down, you wash your hands, grab your paper towel, whatever you need to do. This I've been using ever since I got it, which is over more than almost 2 years now. But my main products I love and are the Scrub Mommy. I tend to use the Scrub Mommy and the Scrub Daddy because those two do everything. The other ones do this one does everything too. But I guess I gravitate to these because of the smile. And with the hard Restophone, I forgot to mention, for those of you that got dry feet, put your soap on there when you're in the shower, scrub your heels. Works like a charm, just so you know. Now, we are coming to the end of our challenge. Hey, Karen, so nice to see you. How many of you have used one of the Scrub Daddy products, and what do you use it for? Because I was really amazed at how many things you can really use this on. Now, the reason for the 3 colors, the brighter colors, like I said, the orange, blue, and the green, are so that you can organize your cleaning rooms. Hey, Tracy, good afternoon to you too. They want you to be able to pick a color for your bathroom. If you want to use the orange sponges for the bathroom, maybe the blue sponges, I don't have them here unfortunately, for the kitchen, and maybe the red, orange, green, yellow, and the yellow sponges for other things, whether it be outside or whatever else. They actually have thought about organizing, which is wonderful. That is why they created the colors. So you could have all blue sponges for your bathroom if you want. All orange sponges for your kitchen. That's why they make the extra colors now. They want you to organize so that you don't cross-contaminate your products, which I thought was very nice. Now, don't forget still, I've got that consultation out there till the end of March. That's going off the last day of March. That special price is going away. If you want that to get your house organized, clean, decluttered, and have a sense of calmness. Okay, now, like I said, bathrooms, showers, toilets, all that good stuff. I was really, really surprised at how much that stuff really does. So, this is what I thought I'd talk to you about today. Now, next month, we're going to be getting into, so fun, the laundry room. Everything from ceiling to floor, decor, and more. I just made that up. How about that, ladies? I'll put a picture of the kit I did win during COVID, and it was really nice. I will put a picture of that when I get off of here. And let me know your thoughts on Scrub Daddy. I'm going to put also the link to my blog where I did the whole blog post on this. So in case you want to look up more things and find out more about it, because honestly, I was actually surprised at how much these things really do and what you can use them on. Really surprised. And I've been a big fan of them ever since, but I use these religiously. And this puppy every day. I shouldn't say puppy, this flower. So, the 31st is Thursday. We will be wrapping up that spring cleaning, refreshing, and brightening challenge. Now, invite your friends next month. So you have an accountability department too, because we're going to get into we're going to get into some laundry stuff. And like I said, decor and more, we're going to be talking. So if you know anybody that's interested in thinking their laundry room, get them in this group for that month, because we're going to be talking about the laundry room. And I'm working on a bunch of different items for that. And I'm trying to work on something today for that. And I'm trying to get there, but I got to get this stuff out of the way first. So, ladies, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you being there. Stephanie, Karen, and Tracy. I will see you in the group. Give me your questions. Give me your comments. What do you think of it? What do you use it for? Other than pots and pans, hopefully. Or have you even thought of using it for something other than pots and pans? Or think out of the box and think, what can I try to clean with it that'd be different, that I don't normally use it for? Let's think out of the box. So, thank you. I appreciate you, Karen. Thank you for saying that. You are so welcome. I love sharing what works with you, but I also share what doesn't work with you. Like I said, my opinion on the caddy, live or buy it. I'll be honest with you guys. That's so you know you're going to get an honest review from me. All right, ladies, thank you so much. Later.